NPP as a political party, Ebo Juma, Ankasa, before 2024 general elections. But the question is, are they in NPP elusu election no? Ghana for bebre edim komo kansem. Na Ghana ni ba kubi di nsem bi atudwa atesebusua eto akoma so yie. And I'm very sure say NDC ni kra no be pese obetie sa asem we bi. Eno nti we ni e gist bla ni ndi kokonsambom. Unim say upon all the work NPP here no, the communication no e failure. But communication na be failure no, then enam so e ma communication no e failure. Eno no e ya sensebe. Na insem wa kire say e koso Ghana for e ka no. Omo say omo be blame NPP communication team. Because a young na ndi ama Ghana kudu bi eyewo. Ama e wudifo we ababedi yeso na ye bre. Say, e say insem no mo ka na ebusua. Odwe ne ho a, who say yes, they are making some sense in what they are saying. Because see, and Juma Kufadu here about hospitals, roads, schools, there is no reason why they should have lost the election. But because the communication was so poor to the extent that they could not even communicate, that is the reason why we are where we are today. That is the reason why today Ghanaians are suffering, Ghanaians are crying, say they've made the biggest mistake in the history of Ghana for voting John Dramani Mahama to become the president of Ghana again. It is not the fault of the NPP. It is the fault of the communication team of the NPP. Someone to communicated the work. Some appointment the Kufadu made was the problem. See, let's be honest to ourselves. See, Ghanaians knew say Kufadu Yejuma, but some of their appointment, was the problem, and this is what Ghanaians are saying.
A dear na miracles anya in Ghana. Station bed one koso. Evidence, no fact, pain na one fan call. Miracle abuaje ko do wa all can say listen. Yeah for GDP net ha. Yeah for inflation net ha. E ya COVID-19 na be na akam baba. Oh the alliance. Akufo-Addo is urinating in the plane, and we people are fetching the water and fetching the water.
And people believe that too.
Of course, you better question Pafo bit is Addo-Felix Appiah no more call. No money on my coda go to move on Addo-Felix Appiah, they had never NPP time. And no money. JOD, I'm giving you this confidential information. After we lost the election, I was summoned for a meeting, a very high profile meeting. You know what they wanted me to do, and I'm sorry. NPP Kevin Taylor. God is my witness. Since I mean Ghana and Intino, me membrana me made jinem to say they are Kevin Taylor jinemuno. Yet ye ba na sebe partia e say don't get here to make us you be twam with you akwatia. Ade achiana ye engine of the party ashe agbada ashe afuapa egu ni na ase e de eyi enkuto kakra sra won say ejane na won emfu into ade enkuto kakra sra won tina ye hyen ogina ho we are the new patriotic party mo bottom because time wa wu gina wa wu read the constitution no ye de yense wura chairman buga na ye na agent okwa bank ye be kwa kwache na chi no ye de yense wura no hwinuma ka kire bisa wo ye be ma me mo wadi no ye can life
na boka wo be 100 years etima ko konka yo hey we are strong
na still maintain mo ya man before. That is what I see. Because JOD, let me tell you something. And yeah, Juma na NPP and you. Your communication in a week. My senior brother Richard Anyagba have a one-on-one conversation. And me explain it to no say, senior, I understand, say your party, we are known for, sensible, reasonable, whatsoever, fact-based, whatsoever. But maybe sawasem, ube to me the tiare. Edro, akosa ye funukana. JOD, you need your senior brother catcher. Or say no. No, I'm saying, so why do you think say no omo ye gidi basa say ye cool? Can you take a knife to a gunfight? No, you will lose before the bell even rings. Because bullets move fast. Knife, you have to get close and in well precision. me crown we ni na chere ye bra pen oni ma asem we o ka chere me I say Felix me say yes senior now who did say NPP for ya bodam say NDC for na me say e aden because ye ka say be gidi kra na ye no ya kukuduro na ente say NDC for akukuduro. That is what he told me. Say me boa o me kan chem say me boa or say MPP ya kukuduro no ente say NDC for akukuduro na say NDC for Jimmy a ye Jimmy 100 years kra ye nto NDC for. That is what he told me. And that is why I'm very surprised. Somebody will come and talk about say, yem penny for no say, come was bonia. No ana asembonina ye canon for we find to nipa ne ye bonia, a yam party in Timenkata so ye and papa no say no more. There be. I think say the year of gentility is over. Jody, I really think say a ban of lawyers, sir. I don't think NDC have more lawyers than us.
No.
A ban a doctor, sir. NDC don't have more doctor than us. When you come to architects, they don't have more architects than us. The only thing NDC have more than NPP is people to use to win election machinery. And that is why the other day, media joke, we say, Ketia is supposed to be studied in the universities as an election winning machinery. Because, no, the TBR, ne the end is a winning power keke. And to make us say ye cry the bear than Jody, ye debate so. So okay. Yakas Yankoku NDC for now, Mpachokano cray, and is one no more. Evuzella, no Mbuzella. Ye cry ye debate so now, oh dear, yes, I didn't clear Cochasono, Ekravuzella. Pin, yes, me go, pin, almost the NDC, Mahaman, to Mukuchamiti, pin. NPP for Mestre Mujodi. I plead with the leadership of this party. Some of us, they don't know our past. JOD, you've seen my music videos before, right? So because I made to me, I can say we need to ask the crowd, obedi. But baby, I yet do know. Mean to me, can say me artists are me ya me DJs Kentino, say the Ghana and Kobontino. I put it on the side. Jody, I was making good money. Jody, I'm not gonna lie. Anybody that knows me in Canada knows I was making good money in music. Caribbean, there is no include and please hear me well. Shatawale is a bigger star than me. But the places I've gone to in the Caribbean, Shatawale Nduro. On call Hokrada, on ye show crowd order. But you can go to my videos and check where I have been. Me call Ghana 2019, I'm who they are Samija and Finimoye. And I decided, said, no. We can't allow these type of lies to rule the airwaves. And that is why we came into this. Intianya combine dio bintini ya bem. And yes, Kabi Abawumia de Bemo bintini ya bem. Ye Ghana na ye shan in Shehan and the JOD ye Tiwe Kumase, Wokwa sorry be a yin party kwa womb. Accra, Wokwa sorry be a yin party, sabi religion. Ye generadi Yesu Christo, one anointing or ye kakra ye konomono, and neno ye were who NDC were who NPP. Okwa sorry we are we NDC, Okwa sorry, and nay ye dia by education, ye jina honey ye shen ye did diacro. Now make us send back, JOD. And then put this on record, okay? If we choose Baumia, now the current executives here, we especially the general secretary position, I maintain the same man. Our victory in 2028 is going to be very, very hard. One, JOD, before you become the general secretary, there is something called an oath. You take an oath, okay? Whenever you can use emotions to overcome the oath of office, you are not fit to lead no more. In politics, when you can use your personal vendetta to go against the general population or the general reason or the general point, you are not fit to lead. That is why my heart dropped when I heard JFK telling Ghanaians to say National Executive Committee, no one disciplinary committee. anye bibi amfa aburo nye ho no man twe ne wa office na oso yes obe hold nsuo mu awie mu no or the pen beto ho na we free party ne mu. That day I knew he was not ready. Obi kan ha. He's a very brilliant man. Joe, listen to me. He's one of the brilliant minds we can find in NPP, JFK. And so he will be fit for agency, departments, and whatever head to bring his accrued knowledge to there. But as to running the engine of a party, he has failed. My sister, as I speak to you today, NPP is broke to the point whereby that Sesikeni JOD and Kuyiska say infinity rent to Asante Regional, you bet to your party. Yet, yeah, build the NDC boys in na. Chairman won't to me back, any 1 or 2 people, a jomo by NPP mono. Yes, it won't to me now, and you're any day into your non quanko them. Then I embolden these NDC people to destroy us them all. Now we are Santinia here, and them all the core positions in na and yes, Santini Kura Cheremia Santinia Ukura real portfolio. Oh, Sabe John Mahama Bam. And Nekra the DC says, Uncle Mamma see a dear conform free a Tingbani Bambali near the Oma Bremo. Ya buy as a mumpen, a mobile penny. Mesremo. A buffoni dear Yamana Dawson. And Tokwane dear Yakubi. The other people know the moment forget your moon, no moment so moving into no more yet your more yen. Mamma ignore. I am Tom Alaji Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Na me minim say, sa 10 constituency 10 appointments no. Me go more west. Umbenya bi. Emma me go more west. Eso enya mema e ban election a. Umbetumi ayi bi. E dey support the operations of the party. But as a baby girl for the opportunity.
These same people na yema omo appointment na omo ntimi anya adwuma. Omo ntimi ama Ghana fo ehu adwuma na eye ye show omo nsa no omo ntimi aye ministries I dem to ano as PRO can say omo eye omo PRO e wo some of the institutions e wo Ghana hanom say they could not communicate to the people and tell them what baby aye di omo to no the omo institutions na wo omo down no omo ye. Today, these are the same people following Honorable Kennedy Appiah Japan. These same people. They are the ones following Honorable Kennedy Appiah Japan. And they will come and tell you that, oh, but they were in charge. Example, Sir Akweya, or no, PRO, Ministry of Education. He was a PRO, but he was not even able to communicate the works na Ghana Education Service and the Ministry of Education na abaina yo. He was not able to do that. The schools, the project, the infrastructures are the abaina education. This guy could not tell people. That is the same person going around and telling people, say the government failed, Baumia failed, so they should give the party to Kennedy Japan for him to come and make Ghana better. But you were the PRO of Ghana Education Service. Or I mean, it's the Ghana Education, it's the Ministry of Education. You were the PRO there. What did you do? Did you communicate to the people what the government was doing in those institutions or those ministries? Did you? You did not. Today, you have the guts to come and tell us, say, you will be in a whilst you people are the major problem why we lost the election. You people are the major problem why we lost the election